Alright, hey guys, good morning and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Mark, aka Crime Effects, and my partner is Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer, we're not a buy or sell channel. Any trades that you take upon yourself. We are not financial advisors, so please do not be risking more than 0.5% or 1% on any given trade at any given time. Okay? Yes, I am filling in for your favorite Cash today. She's out in a bird. We're traveling soon, and she's just getting some stuff done. So yes, I'm filling in for her today, and yeah, let's have a good session. Okay, it is a Friday, so I need you all to understand that you'll know what Fridays are known for. Okay, they're known for taking profits away that have been compounded over the week. So you wanna trade small, maybe not trade at all, and just watch, learn, get better, and see how it goes. Okay, not too many people on the stream today. Did the stream reminder not go off? Hi Ben, what's up? Kyle, Zero, my man. Karan, what's up, brother? Good morning. Raul, Dan. Okay, no reminder. Well, so be it. Okay, it's all good. I have a lot of the OGs over here, and I'm more than happy with just doing it for 14 people. All right, so I'm gonna quickly start to share my screen with you guys. Let me know when y'all see my screen. Okay, I think the stream reminder just went off. Okay, this is what DAX looks like, and this is what NASDAQ looks like. Let's take a look at the EMAs. Holding, we could definitely test out that supply. I feel like by the time we get to market open, this the 200 might just come and kiss that supply, so we may need to pick back up before we start to get some buyers to the downside. Okay. Nonetheless, that. Okay. There's going to be some demand that even pops in over here. Just letting you guys know. Okay, and if we want to go bullish, got a pretty wide range to deal with, so let's try and catch that. 81 could also go up to the psychological 800. Okay, but let's catch the closest that we can see. Okay, so that's going to be a higher time frame resistance, and if they want to get that pop to the upside, try to go for something like that. Okay, sorry guys, my OCD kicks in when it comes to these charts. I like it all perfect. Okay, good. So we're currently in this range for NASDAQ. Okay, DAX starting to give a little bit of a drop. If you guys want to be getting in on anything, that looks good. It looks good. All right, that's a gap that needs to be filled by these markets. Okay, that's a nice gap that needs to be filled. So if we have the momentum, we could break down no problem. But then we also have the psychological 15.5 over here. Okay, so let's see if we have momentum to break past the 500 and then maybe get a continued push to the downside. Your stop loss could be this region up here, which is about, I think, a 12 pips stop loss, 11, 12 pips. Okay, and the buys, naturally your safer buys are going to be on the break of your supply, but let's see how price reacts around the psychological level that we just spoke about, and if we do start to get a rejection, maybe we start buying the market from this region. Okay, but for now, let's just have that there. And for the ones that keep eating Cash's head for gold, I've done gold for you guys. Okay, pretty choppy on gold. Okay, keep that in mind. It is Chop City right now. Let's look for potential sells at the break of this level of support, stop loss there. Okay, and if we start to get the momentum, you could move your stop loss and make it nice and tight to somewhere over there. Okay, so up the risk to reward ratio for yourselves. Okay, and if we have a momentum to break past, down to demand. And if we want to start to go bullish, nice little neckline formation right in that region, so I'm going to catch that. And if we want to have the pop to the upside, give me a second. And we can then look at the buys. Okay, same story. Stop loss there, tighter stop loss there. Okay, and TP is going to be that region. Can see it, yes. Good morning, Alpha D-Gen. What about EU? Together we have high in 5 London years. Good morning, good morning. Okay, I guess some of y'all want EU. I can do EU for y'all, that's okay. Give me a second though. Okay, that's your impulse that's pushed in, alright? Just letting you guys know the alert's going off. That is the impulse. Let's see what they want to do. Okay, we do have the 500 area, so be careful about that. Liquidate your position quickly. Yeah, be mindful, okay, because this can also start to pick back up. And if it does start to pick back up, we'll start looking for these. Okay. Alright, I'll do EU for you guys. Cool. We have about 4 more minutes to market open. Let's get this done. Let's take a look at how everything's looking. Okay, uptrend, supply, demand. Okay. Let's go ahead and let's mark that up, the highs and the lows of the day. Switch over. There. Okay, so that's going to act up as our 4R resistance. That's going to act up as our 4R support. Let's fix this there. Good. Okay. Cool. So we've got the key levels on the 4H. Okay, so those are the early levels. Pretty rangy. Let's still see what we can catch on EU. That's good. 15 minutes coming in here. Okay, and that's the picture right now. It looks pretty bullish to me, but again, that's just based off of structure and price action. Okay, looks good. Um, we have some supply that's also going to kick in over here. I'm giving you guys safer entries because of news, but y'all could 100% start layering your positions in case this wanted to continue to be bullish. Okay, so that's going to be supply. Where are we going to pick up some buyers? Guys, I'd request you all to mute. I'll just do it. Okay. Expect some buyers to kick in this region. Okay, so we've marked out our supply and demand. Buys on the break up above there, for me at least. Okay, stop loss there. Here, really depends on where you want to have it and what your risk management is like. And let's try to aim to get that. In the short positions, we are going to face some buyers over here for sure. And this is also market open, sorry you guys. Oh, fuck me. Okay, sorry. I was a bit too slow. I was a bit too slow today. But yes, dropping on the indices and dropping on DAX. Let me take a quick look at gold. Sales are down here, okay, on EU. Alright, gold's not doing much. But DAX dropped, and so did NASDAQ. Okay. Damn it, I didn't even realize. I totally forgot that I was trying to do it quickly. But okay, I'm not in on anything right now. If you guys are, be careful. We'll wait for a candle to close, but look at NASDAQ, man. It's fucking dropping. DAX 2. We have a newfound level of support in DAX, so let's go and mark that up. Okay, and now let's see if they want to close, retest, reject, and push. Okay, gold's being choppy. Very choppy right now. EU, that's the sells. Can anyone tell me how to grow $100 account through risk management? It's the only answer. Okay. Impulse. And they're breaking. They're gonna hit TP. Maybe a nice trigger finger move if we happen to break the early support as well. But DAX is fucking dropping, you guys. Look at that. Okay. Let's see if they want to start to build into some divergence, or if we're gonna break these lows on the other side. Okay, did anyone catch DAX? W on DAX, 16 pips on DAX, good stuff. What lot size should we use, and I want to grow it fast? That statement is everything against what at least I say here at Forex trading, bro. Don't ever over leverage your account. Yes, if you want to gamble these markets and if you want luck to play a role in it, absolutely, it's your money, you can do as you like. But I promise you that will not give you consistency. Okay? Try to grow an account 1%, 2% a day at a time per trade, and you'll see it grow a lot quicker. And more importantly, you will have a reason as to why you've grown that account rather than just throwing off money, you know. I keep telling people on the one-on-ones that if you guys are going to be over leveraging and trading crazy and trying to get rich overnight with Forex trading, you'd rather just go to Vegas, go to the casino, and make some money there. Okay? Okay. You're trading dirty, Raul? Did you chart dirty up? Tax, yes, so dirty 20 pips on DAX, I'm guessing. That's what you meant, Azatu. Good, congratulations, W on DAX, but only a feeler. It's good, man. I'm not even in on a feeler right now. I'm in on nothing. Okay, we're building into a new level right there. This is the aggressive one. This is the conservative one. Okay. Anything on gold? You can see right now, bro. It's doing its thing. If the movement isn't there, how are you gonna trade, right? Yes, Cram chart dirty up was very similar to DAX. Awesome, man. Good job, bro. Oof, look at those rejections. Guys, give me a quick second. I'm gonna be back. Nasdaq is now pushing bullish. Fucking hell, look at that liquidity grab, guys. Crazy. Okay. Again, the markets seem erratic to me today. I may just stay away from taking any sort of trades. It is a Friday, and this is proving to be a Friday. Okay. Let's see in the next, well, this is the new candle, so we've got to see how the next 5-minute candle wants to close, whether it's going to be in our box. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Yeah, I was saying that it is a Friday, and the markets are being very Friday-like, so let's be careful. I would be okay not taking any trades at all, and just watching it, to be honest, because this is an erratic market. Okay, this is what Fridays are like. Okay, look at that. They literally hit the range going both ways. They fill this whole zone, but nothing closes. So what does this show us? This shows us that there's an imbalance here, there's an imbalance here, and at some point, probably not right now, but at some point, this wick needs to be filled. So this to me is starting to look more bearish now. But again, in the next 3:30, they could close up there and just continue to push up to the higher time frame resistance. Okay, but this is liquidity that needs to be filled. Okay, look at that. Looking good. Did anyone get in on the retest rejection? This demand now flips over to supply. Okay, and technically this is still your 4x move. Alright, that's your impulse. Well, consider this the impulse, whatever it is, retest, rejection, and now you're dropping. If you break this low, they're trying to go and fill that same imbalance like we spoke about Nasdaq. Okay? Alright, I'm just watching. I'm just watching today. I'm not stressing too much. I'm going on vacation tomorrow. I'm okay not taking any trades. Our vacation is paid for through these forex markets, nice and comfy. So yeah, I'm not looking to do any more. Maybe when the news comes out in the next couple of minutes, we start to see a more. Yes, Azatu is correct. Maybe when the news comes out, we start to see a little more volume come in. But it's chop city for them. Okay, so now Nasdaq has not only created a range to the downside, but it's also created a liquidity range to the upside. Okay, zone that needs to be filled, or a zone that was filled from historical data. Okay, but what has this area back and forth time and again proved to us? That this is an area where the sellers or supply kicks in. Okay, demand over here, an attempt for more demand over here, and then this became supply. Another confirmation, ugly ass freaking double top. Okay, what does that tell us? That tells us we're going to have some demand that's going to be sitting down in this region, which is now successfully flipped into supply. So let's see if they have what it takes to break past that supply now, or if we're actually going to come back down, fill these zones, and then maybe start to push up. Okay. EU, little bit of a fake out there, but now it's an impulse on EU. Let's see if they want to close up there. Is anyone in on any trades? And guys, it hurts my heart to say this because it's the first time in 1 year, but we're going to be off streams for like a whole week. All of next week, we're not really going to have any streams. Cash and I are going to be on vacation, and yeah, it's the first time in a year, and I just feel like you guys are such a regular part of our day, of our lives. You know, it's just Cash and I were talking about it, and it's almost unreal that we won't be live for you guys for the next 1 week, but. But we're going to be back, and we're going to be back stronger the week after. Okay, the only thing that I've asked you guys to do is make sure that you're subscribed to the verified role, because I can't say when, but I promise you, we'll at least do 1 or 2 streams next week. It'll be a surprise stream. We'll let you guys know. It really depends on our itinerary. We'll let you guys know when we're coming. We'll tag verified and our prior, and you guys can hop on the session with us. Okay, so we'll also look at the market conditions. We'll do all of those things and decide accordingly, but make sure you guys are subscribed to that role. Okay, new candle opens up. Let's see if the trampoline effect wants to play out over here. Have a blast. Thank you. All good, Cram. It's a much needed break. Absolutely zero. It is. When you need personal life, also have fun. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much. Yeah, it's way overdue for us. We used to travel a lot before we started the business, but we've centered all of our attention to forex and building this community. So. But yes, I appreciate you guys. Thank you all so much, and I promise we're going to come back stronger the week after and really get into these markets, because this is the best time to be trading. I promise you guys that. From now, straight up until the end of November, early December, it's going to be an absolute blast in these markets. Alright, and we're going to make some serious pips. Okay, still Shop Freaking City on DAX. I'm losing hope on DAX. Hopefully, with the news release, we have a little bit of momentum that gets pushed in. You all know it. Supply flips to demand. And let's see if they want to hold at demand now, okay? Guys, just keep an eye on these shots. I need to take a quick call that's coming. Just give me a second, okay? I'm gonna be back. हेलो हाँ बर्ड मैग्नम का 3 कैन देना अभी रही यार एक काम कीजिए अंकल, एक बॉटल और 2 कैन दे देना। एक बॉटल 2 कैन? हाँ जी, मैग्नम का एक बॉटल 2 कैन जी जी हाँ, अभिराही A2103 मोबाइल नंबर बोलिए। 9167 142 142 हाँ 116 जी पे करूँगा। थैंक यू। Okay, sorry about that, guys. I am back. EU still testing, some buyers look like they want to start to step in over here. And Nasdaq is just within that same range that we spoke about. Okay, starting to pick back up. Let's see, you guys. Let's see what they want to do. Okay. Okay, look at that. DAX, like I said, the buyers look like they want to step in. There you go. DAX is starting to give us that push. You know what? Let's just be safe, okay? Let's look at that. All right. If you all want to scalp into this, yes, no problem. But let's. Your bigger buy should come above that. Okay, so we've got news in the next 20 seconds, you guys. Please be careful of your slippage. Okay, it's going to be for real. And this is news. I have a buy stop set up for DAX. Up there, in case it wants to do that. Gap up, push. Negative news. Let's see if they want to fill that. Oh my good fucking lord. We should have been looking at gold, huh? Look at EU. Did anyone get in on EU? Look at that goddamn sell on EU. Serious drop. Probably too quick. We weren't even looking at it, so it's all good. But big ass moves, all right, even on gold. That's a 36 pip candle and counting on EU, which is a freaking lot for London. That's still dropping, man. Okay, I'm not in on any trades. I haven't taken a single trade yet. I just I don't think I'm feeling these markets as much today. But congratulations to the ones that are banking some pips. So yeah, good going, you guys, good going. Fucking hell. EU is just pouring, man, dropping. Look at that. Okay, they're gonna go hit TP. Is anyone in on EU? Anyone trading EU right now? I did EU for you guys. Anyone on EU or USD? Okay, buys are not coming in as yet. Hut is on EU. Okay, 500 bucks. Liquidate, man. Don't be greedy. $500 on a Friday. Can't complain. Okay, liquidate. Leave a small position running and liquidate. 40 on gold. Awesome. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. I think I'm the only one that hasn't taken a trade. Weirdly, gold and DXY both pushing up. Yeah, they're not always gonna have an inverse relationship, bro. It's not always gonna be that way. It is that way 80% of the time. But same, me too. All right, look at that. My one-on-ones. They've started to trade like me. You guys haven't taken trades because you're probably aren't feeling the markets right now as well. It's all good. There's always going to be another day. There's always going to be another opportunity to grab on, and that's fine. You know, the markets they happen every day. But nonetheless, congratulations to the ones that hit your profit targets for today. Okay, look at that, starting, but they have to break past that supply. Nasdaq as well. Okay, they're trying to break and push. Okay, let's see if they want to break past that supply and have the momentum to just go boom and hit TP. Okay, I'm in running by about, so this was my region at the supply zone. It's a small position, not a big position, $5 a pip, and I'm going to wait for this candle to close and then get in on my bigger position. Okay, so where's my stop loss going to be for this? It's going to be at the 5-minute support, which would give me, if I get stopped out, that's going to be about 18 times 5. Okay. gold can have a little bit of a retest and possibly push higher to fill that wick or even break it. On what trade are you, Cram? German. I'm on the German. Okay, when we started to break supply, I got in with another bigger position. Again, I feel like we are going to get the close up above there. I'm looking at it really closely. I don't have a stop loss set. Okay, I'm going to quickly set up a stop loss, guys. Give me a second. Okay, stop loss set. Alright, so I have two positions around about. My first position is over here for $5 a pip. My second position is over here, which is a bigger position, and my stop loss for it is going to be down in that region. Okay, if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. I'm done trading for the week. Okay, I'm on a buy. I'm on a buy. Okay, I'm about in a deficit of about 2-3 pips right now, ranging 2-3 pips. Come on, give me the push up. Okay. Alright, back up in the blues. 1 pip, 2 pips. Come on, 3 pips, let's get it. Just give us that high. We just need that volume push to the upside, okay? Back at break even. Damn it, these markets are choppy, right? This is the definition of a choppy market. It's just playing with our feelings now, and my position is going back and forth between break even and 2-3 pips and a loss or 2-3 pips and profit, okay? I'm gonna set a tighter stop loss for this now, okay? First, this was my stop loss. I'm gonna have my stop loss at this wick, because if we happen to break this wick and push lower, I don't need to unnecessarily take the added 6 pips as my stop. Okay, so give me a second. Okay, stop loss set. Let's see. All right, there you go. All right, I haven't been stopped out as yet. That was a close call. And with Nasdaq, we have now flipped this into demand. So let's see how that wants to play out. EU testing out these lows. Gold, we hit TP, and now they're having a retest. Is anyone in on DAX with me? Anyone trading DAX with me? Yep, okay. Good, good, good. In on DAX, alright. There you go. Finally. Let's get that freaking push, man. Okay, now I'm gonna make my stop loss even tighter. Alright? I want to see how this candle closes, and if we have a nice successful close up in our box, I'm gonna have my stop loss as the end of the supply zone. Okay, but as of right now, I have about a 10-11 pip stop loss on this trade. Okay, let's see the next minute and 30. The thing is, if I change this up to break even, I'm probably gonna get stopped out of this trade almost instantly. You know, so as of right now, I'm just waiting and watching. And again, it's not one of my big Lambos, you guys, so even if it goes against me, it's not really gonna hurt my account at all. But you've got to risk something to make something, right? The last minute, the last 30 seconds of this candle is going to be crucial, you guys. It's going to be crucial, okay? Because we're either going to really break down bullish and test out the 5-minute support, or we're going to close up above in our box and maybe get the continued push on DAX. Come on, I want to have a tight stop loss on this. 45 seconds, let's see. Give me a second, guys. You have cash? Give me. You have? Ask him now. Okay, I'm stopped out. I just got stopped out on this. I took an L. It's all good. It is what it is. The best stop loss that you could have is going to be this region right here. Okay, this should be your stop loss. But I'm out of DAX. I took 11.5 pips on this. I'm still in with my $5 a pip, and I was in with 30 bucks, and I took an L for 11 pips with 30 bucks a pip. Okay, I'm not trading this anymore. I don't think I'm trading anything anymore. I may hop in for London, for New York, and catch some quick pips if I can, but these markets are choppy, you guys. These markets are choppy right now. If anyone's still in on DAX, make sure you're not holding any more than the supply zone, the demand zone, my bad, okay? This should be your stop loss for sure. Nothing more than that, okay? And as you can see, this market shouldn't be selling off, but it is. What are we gonna do, right? This market should ideally be picking up support from that 50 and buying, but it is what it is, okay? And EU, that massive drop, the ones that banked on this, y'all are the real ones, and y'all have made some serious money today, so congratulations. Stopped out on DAX, likewise, buddy. It's all good. It's all good. Look at that. Now they're testing out. They're coming into the cells. Okay, I am not gonna get enticed by these markets any further, you guys. I'm not gonna get enticed. I'm done. It's all good. It's all good. Okay, I took an L today for about close to 400, and I'm not complaining. You know, there's another session. Well, I'm not going to be streaming the session, but I probably will most likely make it back up if the opportunity presents itself on New York. Shonan, tell me, what is your question? Okay, and please, can you hold with us for EU? What do you mean by that, buddy? Bro, I'm $600 in loss, and now I have only $100 left. And what was your risk management, bro? If you had a $600 account, and if you lost 500, was that on one trade, or was that on? I'm a little confused, because if you lost out on one trade, bro, that's a risk management issue right there. Yeah, I'm gonna stay till the news on the new candle comes out, bro. What broker are you using? I'm using HankoTrade, and we use FTMO for the prop firms. Okay, EU. We break down from here, and we're still gonna get a continued push. Okay. Where to? There's not much historical data, okay? So we could drop, but what happens if we want to start to buy this market? It's simple. You see that 4-hour support that's now flipped to resistance? Right? This is where you'd want to get in on any sort of buys. Okay, and of course, if they want to drop, then the sells are still going to come in. Okay, let's see, a minute to go. And also, if anyone's interested in joining the one-on-one mentorship program, please say hi on the general chat, and Cash, my partner, will fill you guys in. We have 180 people on the mentorship program, it is a paid program. It's not free like these live streams, but we mentor you to becoming profitable. Okay, so go to the Forex server, go to general chat on the Forex server and say hi, I'm interested in the Forex mentorship or whatever it is, and Cash will message you with all the details. Okay. All right, 10 seconds to go. Let's see what these markets have in store. There you go. Now we've got to see if this is going to be a liquidity grab or if that's the actual move. All right, so positive news. And like I said, that's the level for our entry that we're looking at. Let me just clean up this chart. Okay, give me a second. Again, we want to close and push higher. And if we want to start to break this, we're going to push lower. Gold's not doing anything. Look at that. Looks like the buys are trying to step back in, but like I said, I am not going to get enticed. Hello? 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 Okay, there's not much going on right now, you guys. I'm already in vacation mode, so I'm gonna hop off this call. Okay, you'll have the levels. Give me a quick second, guys. Hello? हाँ जी, वहाँ पे बाहर रख दीजिए, उठा लेंगे. Thank you. हाँ 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 हाँ. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a session. Listen, again, like I said, it's gonna be a really weird change for us and not coming live for you guys for probably the next 1 week, but we are gonna give you all some surprise streams, so make sure to hop on to those. We're not gonna come on any random day. If we see volumized markets and we know that there's gonna be a nice move that will play out, that's when we'll hop on. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the verified row, okay? Because there's gonna be no schedule that's gonna be up. And it's just I'll give you guys a little bit of a heads up a couple of minutes prior, and we'll do a session. Okay, we'll do a session on the door. Cash and I are probably we're going to be well, I'm not giving any details about vacation, but yeah, we're going to be away. Okay, so please apologies from now if we haven't responded to messages, because we're going to just try our best to unwind from just everything and just be together. And of course, if there are any emergencies, then we're always here for you guys. But best of luck with it. Next week, please trade carefully. Don't go too crazy. Drop your risk, drop your lots. But for the ones on the one-on-ones, I want you guys to be a little confident with the things that I've taught you and the things that you've learned. Use the analysis, trust in yourself, but just make sure your risk management is in place. Okay, guys? Y'all have a great one, and I'll talk to you guys in about 10 days. All right, come back a changed man, come back completely rejuvenized and ready to conquer these markets with my army of millionaires again. All right, thank you guys so much. Have a great rest of the day, afternoon, evening, night, whatever it is, wherever you guys are. I freaking love you guys. Y'all know it. I'm Mark, aka Cran, and my partner is Cash, and this is Forex Trading, you guys. I'm signing up. Okay, and before I go, for the one-on-ones, if anyone's interested, there is going to be a wait time, you'll know it, but go ahead, message up, and we'll get you guys taken care of. Right? Thank you guys so much. Have a great one. Talk to you all soon. All right? Talk to you all in 10 days. Bye.